Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
A bad fuel pump can manifest through several symptoms, such as difficulty starting the vehicle, a sputtering engine, loss of power under strain, and unexpected stalling. The vehicle might also suffer from poor fuel economy and a noticeable decrease in performance. If you experience these signs, it's important to inspect and possibly replace the fuel pump to avoid being stranded and to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.